In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a problem when pin video option is not showing on TikTok. It's quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok app, and once you are on TikTok, hit on your profile. Now there, hit on these three lines icon and select settings and privacy. Then scroll down until you find report a problem, and there scroll down for a bit again and hit on videos and sounds. Next hit on other. There hit on need more help, and there you are able to leave a feedback for TikTok support team, so you can report a problem. You can write there that you don't have the pin video option, and please solve the problem for me. That you can write right there, and after that hit on report to send that report ticket to TikTok support team, and after that, after maybe 1 hour or a couple of days, you will get a response for your support ticket. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.